action. Anything can happen in the next half hour.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you're all safe and well. I've literally just landed this and I'm going to go and fly it again. I'm using Zippy Compact 1800s in it today, 3S, and we're at 98% on the battery. Now this goes just slightly forward. It's got a bulkhead just in the nose. I touch the bulkhead, then bring it forward slightly. So that should be good there. We'll check the CFG. I do want another camera put on it. I'll use a different camera just to edge my bets. We'll use this camera. This camera doesn't have a zoom lens. You get what you see. That'll be quite interesting. We'll put this one on for now. I won't mess around. We'll get it going. There we are, get the transmitter up, and I'm on the wrong aircraft.
12 seconds later.
Right, so we're going to put this on, just like that. Yeah, a bit wet. Right, left, up, down, right, left.
Mid-brake.
Get the lights on again so we can see it.
Throttle on. Throttle off. Cessna TTX is safe.
Okay.
Well, it's all heated in the winter. Oh, right. But it gets warm in there in the summer. Yeah, but all glass.
It's its second flight for 2023. And you can see the track it had last time.
High rate. Throttle on.
Alright, take it off.
Timer start. Timer start.
Alright, she did want to come out and I forgot the flaps, that's why. These lights are really good in this weather. I haven't got worse to have. It looked for a moment there as if I hadn't got the tail strobe on, but I have. Yeah, very nice. This hands off. I'm literally not touching any of the sticks.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Half throttle, downwind. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Oh, I love it. It's a much faster downwind.
Partial flap.
Slow it down.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
wonder what the loop's like. Yeah, that's good. Good loop.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh, very nice. Keep it in this area, and then we'll go back down.
Time remaining 1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay, now we're pushing the boundary. So it should fly on a 1300. I've flown it on 1300 and 2200s, and now I'm flying out on 1800, which seems a good compromise. Okay, so we're just going to loop back round.
30 seconds.
Okay,
Partial flaps.
partial flaps.
20 seconds.
Keep it going.
Full flaps.
Full flaps. Landing!
10.
Oh,
Timer stop. 10.
oh,
Timer stop.
retrieving!
Cessna TTX is safe.
That was a bit of a hard landing on the front wheel. That wasn't a good landing. I'm not happy with that. But it was a good flight. I did enjoy the flight.
Partial flaps. Flaps up.
There we go. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. I mean, I rebuilt it. It's built like a, I don't know, a phrase we use in the UK, and I've used it before in my videos, is a brick shithouse. Yeah, good. Very wet. So the timer here is exactly on 000.
Timer reset.
So that flight was exactly 5 minutes. So let's see what the battery's like after 5 minutes. No heat in it at all. Yeah, 42% after 5 minutes on an 1800. That's good. So that's the Cessna TTX, 2 flights in 2023. So I'll tick that one off on my flight log. So thanks for watching, stay safe, stay well. I look forward to you joining me on another video. Cheers.